If you're looking to increase the living area inside your Camplet North, you can add on the sand annex. The sand annex simply zips on, so you'd unzip the side panel of your North, zip the annex on. It has a built sewn in PVC ground sheet, so it's all fully waterproof and watertight. You also have the blind at the back, which you then can toggle and seal it up. Steel framework, just 4 poles which you attach and join together and extend out. If you're using it for sleeping, you have the drop down material, which can be zipped up all the way around and completely sealed. But it doesn't always have to be used for just sleeping. We can use it for storage. Again, if you are using it for storage, you can drop that down, keeps it all hidden away and keeps your living space nice, clean, tidy, and keeps all the clutter away.